Hi and welcome back to Good Adventures, guys. We'll be climbing this one. I think there are a few more, layers of the hill. Let's see. Not even climbed. Like 5 minutes. And this is the view behind. I don't know if you can see that, but there are so many hills. Each one a trek. Hopefully I'll do some of them this year. I don't know why, but in every trek, the worst 5 to 10 minutes is in the start. I think your body is just suddenly start climbing. It's like climbing maybe 3-4 stories in 5 minutes, and that's why you get tired. Later on, you kind of learn to pace yourself and just go in your speed. Like, there are so many people on top, people from my group. I'm somewhere in the middle. There are a lot of people behind me, so you just got to know your pace more than reaching the destination first. Maybe enjoy the view. So nice. Just wish it was a little less sunnier. Just look at the incline, guys. It's like almost 45%. Finished this much so far. Doesn't look like a lot from here, but when you're climbing up, oh, it makes the difference. Still a lot more to go. Let's go. To all you people who say I don't want to trek, it's too hard, it's too far away, these two guys have come from Sweden and they're trekking in Karnataka. What the hell? What the hell are you guys doing? You gotta be better than this. Get out of the house, start doing something fun. This is the Hanuman temple, and we're very close to the end of the trek. I don't think so. Okay, bye. That's it, guys. That's the peak. There are some ruins here. Nothing's there, just all sorts of nice flowers growing here. Good view. I like it when even on the top there's more to explore than just that one peak where everyone is sitting. It's so nice to see these kind of views after spending so long in Bangalore. Do you think we should go till there? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go. I'm gonna sit here for a while, have some water. I think this is one of the most secluded peaks. I'm just gonna sit here for a while. I'm gonna have some water, maybe have a protein bar, and then we'll